Welcome to Lenox 122, New York. This isn't just student accommodation, it's a premium subscription to life. Redefine luxury with fully furnished 6-bed and 8-bed apartments, each featuring spacious beds, closets, study and storage spaces, AC, heating, and a safe box if you need it. What else do you ask? How about water, electricity, gas, laundry facilities, weekly cleaning, common supplies, and monthly breakfast? All included in your rent. Hold on, there's more. A co-working space for focus, gym to hit, cinema room for entertainment, private bar to enjoy, community lounge to mingle, outdoor space to chill, and ongoing support for assistance. If you're a student at Columbia University, City College of New York, Mount Sinai School of Medicine, or any other university, you're perfectly placed just a short drive away from campus. You'll never be late. Enjoy a classic subway experience at 116th Street, or catch a bus from 125th Street Station, or East 124th Street / 3 Avenue. With such easy transit, exploring the Big Apple is a breeze. Why wait to live like royalty? Book your spot in the Kingdom of Lenox via amberstudent.com now.